Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to talk about maximizing your storage with any of these trash bags slash storage bags that you see on the back of these spare tires. You're kind of like, well, what do I do with my trash, right? So your trash bag falls down inside here, constantly having to try to unzip it, keep your trash contained and whatnot, because there's nothing worse than sticking your hand down in like your dirty napkins and whatever else you throw away. So this bag, this is obviously the last US bag, Oscar's Mobile Hideout. It is a huge bag. There are other ones that are similar in size, maybe not quite as big, but you've got some generous pockets. I keep propane bottles in the sides. There's so many uses for these bags, and we're basically dedicating all of this. That's for your dirty cans, plates, food, what have you. So you're wanting to keep that nice and tidy and clean, but you got all this space, and you can use it for recovery gear, camping stuff. I mean, like whatever else you want to put in there. I mean, that way you don't have to keep it just necessarily stored away inside the vehicle. You could put it in here. So what I came up with, this has got two functions here, but let's unzip her down. So I went to Walmart and picked up a 10-gallon kitchen trash can. This is a Sterilite brand. These are extremely cheap. You can keep your trash bags in here, set it out at camp, store it back in the bag when you get done. It's so much easier to keep up with. If you want to keep your recovery gear or anything else that you don't want inside the vehicle stored in the bottom of the bag, that's perfectly fine. It's not going to get in the way of anything. And like I said, it just maximizes space. So if you have one of these, like I said, just go down and get one of these cheap kitchen trash cans, and you will thank me later, because like I said, it makes all the difference in the world. And if you crack it or mess it up, any of those things, they're cheap enough. I mean, you're not going to cry over it. But, I mean, shoot, you could put your camping gear, you could put anything in the bottom of that. And see, I've still got a lot of room in there. When we went on a trip this past summer, I actually was able to keep gallons of water that I kept underneath the trash can. That way, if they were to open up, I didn't get wet in the back of the vehicle. And they were perfectly fine. It's not exceeding the weight limit of the bag. This is a very robust bag as it is. But again, and that way you aren't gonna be driving around with a flattened bag and have to reach down in there and get that trash bag each time. And keep it nice, organized, and maximize your space. It also is nice to have a trash can in camp. It's a place to just keep some of your extra things that you don't want in the vehicle.